Hey English 10 students, it's Miss Fedino checking in. It is Wednesday, May 13th. I just wanted to do some follow-up with you on what should be done this week since I did make it sort of a catch-up week and explained a little bit on Monday. So I'm just back checking in. So the last thing that was officially turned in as a whole group was the remote learning week 6. This is the assessments for our quiz for the end chapters of Mockingbird, and then a final test. And you also had a post-reading activity to do. I'm going to be grading that as soon as I'm done this video, so I would check back tonight to see that that's all taken care of. With these days, we're pretty much wrapping up the story and moving on to something else come next week. So using this week as a model, it would be really wise to finish this so that you're not so confused with bouncing from story to story. Okay. We have, just looking through here, we have the post-reading activity where you have to predict what each character is doing 20 years later. For those that you really don't know, I would look up on Google just to see who they were in the actual story. You should know most of them though. I could see ones that you might be a little off with. Other than that, everything should be, fully explained on what you think they will be doing in their final years. If you believe someone has died, if you believe someone became something really extraordinary, like what do you think Scout's doing 20 years after? What kind of occupation does she have? That should be all filled out. Okay, here are your tests and quizzes. All right, chapter 28 to 31 is pretty self-explanatory. This is the end of the story. Okay, it's all multiple choice. Please put your name on there, which I forgot the last time, and then you have the final test. It is pretty lengthy, I will admit that, but that's why I gave you a couple days to do it. Other than that, that should all be done for last week, week 6. Looking at this week, the only thing that I've posted so far are 2 questions. Okay, and we're going to go over these questions right now. This is a new video. Let me look here. Whoops. There we go. So this was a conversation. Oh, good. I got some answers here. This is a conversation between 2 people, okay, that are COVID-19 survivors, okay, in New Jersey. So that's extremely close to home. If not, it is home. All right. I just want you to tell me what you learned from listening to these 2 people. It could be anything. It's just a takeaway. What is the big moment that really stuck out to you? And I'm looking for a very small paragraph. So that is the one question. And then yesterday I posted a question. Here's a video, a new run through video. Yesterday I posted this quote, which I thought was really prominent to the time that we're going through. So nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. So thinking of what we're going through as a country, as a school, as a family, what could this quote mean in terms of what's happening in our world now? Since I'm home quite often, I'm always watching NBC News in the morning. So I really get some insight on what doctors are saying, what educators are saying, newscasters. So what could the meaning of this quote be that can apply to what we're going through currently? New assignment I am going to post. This is an alternative assignment for those who are looking on real time and are failing and would like to boost their grade. There is a website where Mockingbird has been condensed to literally a couple chapters and basically has the whole plot in these chapters. I'm going to post this and it's very self-explanatory. You type in true or false in the box. Okay, you just follow the directions for each chapter. I am going to post this for those of you who want to boost their grade. Full credit, 100 points if you do it all and you do it well, you get the full 100 points. If not, then it's no fault to you. You get excused. If anybody would like extra credit and you are passing, this can be an extra credit option for you. So if you want to boost your grade, I would definitely take in consideration and work on it these next couple days. Over the weekend, do as much as you can. I would love to give you extra time to do it. But if you are someone who hasn't really done any assignments, who are really not doing well, I can take this assignment and kind of divvy it out to the assignments that you have zeros in. So I will post this today. If anybody has any questions or just want to ignore it because you are fine in doing your assignments, I can do that for you. Okay, so I will post this on Google Classroom today along with this video. All right, make sure you're looking at the new schedule I talked about on Monday. Okay, Mr. Brandt sent us the doc to look at. You are having classes every other day if you want to follow the schedule, but I am posting as usual. Okay, so that's the schedule right there. Any questions for me, please shoot me a private comment. But for the most part, you guys are set for the rest of the week. I might post another reflection question, probably for Friday, but other than that, I would do some catch up. And if you're not, you're working on your iExcel. You should already have a username and password there. If you need help, shoot me a message, or you should be choice reading. Okay, so here's my assignment. I'm posting this as we speak. Have a wonderful rest of your day. If you have any questions, please shoot me a message. Miss you all terribly. I'm over this and I want to be back in school really bad. So sending good vibes to you, and I hope you can send them to me. Have a good one. Bye.